How to change App Store country or region to United States. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you change App Store country or region to United States. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, after you open App Store, at the top right corner, tap on your profile account. Okay, from the account section, tap on your Apple account. And from the account settings, tap on the option country or region. Alright, from the country or region section, you'll have to find out the country or region like United States, and after you find it, you'll have to just tap on the option United States. Alright, after you tap on that, tap on continue. From the section, tap on agree just at the top right corner. And from the section, you'll have to just provide your payment method or your billing address at the top payment method. You can as usual add your credit card or debit card, or you can also add your PayPal account, and you can also check for the options like none. And after you add your payment method, you'll have to just provide your billing address like your street, city, your state, your zip code and your phone number. And after you provide all of the details from here, tap on the option done just at the top right corner, and after you tap on that option, you can easily change your App Store country or region to United States. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.